If you're serious about video quality and reliability in a dashcam, this one is a powerhouse. Today, I'm reviewing the VIOFO A229 Plus front and rear dashcam, dual STARVIS 2 sensors. This dashcam uses Sony STARVIS 2 sensors on both the front and rear cameras, delivering exceptional clarity and color, especially at night. 1440p plus 1440p HDR recording. You get Quad HD HDR recording on both cameras, capturing license plates and road details clearly in daylight and low-light conditions. 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly download videos to your phone using the VIOFO app. No waiting around. Ultra-precise GPS. The built-in GPS records speed, location, and route data, perfect for evidence and insurance claims. Voice control convenience. Hands-free voice commands let you lock videos or take photos without taking your eyes off the road. Outstanding night performance with dual STARVIS 2 sensors. Sharp HDR footage front and rear. Reliable GPS and voice control features. SD card not included. Must be purchased separately. Premium price compared to basic dash cams. If you want high-end image quality, accurate GPS tracking, and solid reliability, the VIOFO A229 Plus is an excellent choice for daily drivers and long-distance travelers. Protect every drive with crystal-clear footage. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more dash cam reviews.